Pete Gustis here, making a short little video on the MLS sheet. So we have an email that I sent from the MLS. We're going to open it up. Then that, of course, if you're using an Apple product, that's why I'm making this. It has the MLS sheet. You can scroll through the photos, view on map, price, of course, the information. And right down here is where you have the documents, property information, school information. So I'm going to hit documents. Alright. And then right when it opens up, you see the options, utility bills, seller's disclosure. Hit the disclosure. And then it just pops up. So you can go through it, kind of go from there. Alright, any information, let me know. If it's not working, you might have a pop-up blocker or something.